Welcome to this tutorial. How to create a table of contents in Word. Table of contents in MS Word makes a document easy to navigate for a reader. Let's see how we can create it. Click anywhere in your document where you want to create a table of contents. As we have created a space between two paragraphs and the mouse cursor is blinking there. At top menu, click on the References. Click on the Table of Contents. From the drop-down, you can select any option of your choice. Here, we are selecting the Manual Table option. Table of Contents has been created. Now, you can edit the chapter title text and level as per your requirement. Once the editing is completed, then click anywhere outside of the table in the document to apply the changes. You can also customize the format and style of this table. This was not hard at all to create a table of contents. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to us.